Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Celie here once more. Same packaging as usual. I also got this drawstring bag with stuff. So let's see what we got in the drawstring bag. I have a rat tail comb. I got a bonnet, cute. Wig cap, 2 of these clips. I also got a pair of lashes, edge brush and comb. Oh, there's a lot coming in this package, and a headband. So that's everything. And of course you can use the bag to store your wig in after you cleanse it. When I open the box, I see the card that says Celie, and of course the wig. So that's everything in the box, obviously. And they put the information of the wig on the inside here of the box, so that's pretty, you know, informative. This is what we're working with today. It's absolutely stunning. Love this. It's a 20-inch 13x4 lace front wig, and it's 180% in density. So as you can see, this is a mix, like 613 mixed with, like, well, it's not thoroughly 613, it's more streaked with like a 613 and then like probably number 27, but it's really nice. It's not like very brassy or anything like that. It's a really nice streaked vibe, so that's really cute. I love that. It does come pre-plucked. It really does look good in the hairline. This is how the lace looks. It has a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back. And yeah. Oh, and as you can see, it is a beautiful body wave texture. I'm really excited to go ahead and install this. So let's go ahead and jump into that.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
The way this is colored, it reminds me of the wig that I wore for my birthday that I customized. Very much reminds me of that. So you guys know the drill. I'm actually going to be using Got To Be for this install. I got like a question recently under one of my wig videos, like somebody wanted to know if they could just use Got To Be spray to install a wig. Definitely, that's what I do most of the times to install my wig, but it's for short term for me. Like, honestly, these days Got To Be spray doesn't give you a very durable installation, at least for me. And yeah, ball cap or no ball cap method, it's just not doing it for me. Like, if I want to wear it for a couple of days, I definitely will not use Got To Be, but I will use the Got To Be in combination with like a good glue. So for a durable install, I use my lace glue. So what I usually just do, if you guys notice, you could, you know, use the spray beneath the lace, or you can spray it over top. For me, it's way quicker to just spray it over the area that I want to lay. And then I always use my blow dryer on cool air, not hot air. That way it's going to take forever to stick. You need it to stick right away. So that's the setting that I put my blow dryer on. Okay, so see, that looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna jump into laying it. So I'm gonna kind of just do no talking and just do that right across the lace portion here in the front. Now that I reach up to this point, I usually just do my 2 swoops here in the front, and I'm actually going to do a center part with today's look. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. I love it. The color job is really pretty on this. So yeah, I'm just gonna do my little 2 swoops. I'm done with my edges. Not the best at making the straightest parts, but you know, at least you have the liberty to part the hair wherever you want to in the front. So as I said, I don't have the straightest hand, but I do try to get it as straight as possible.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love.
So look at that. This is how it came with all these waves. It's looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. And it laid pretty nicely. But I do feel like I could curl the front here to kind of just have it, you know. I really think it looks so nice. But I'm wondering if I should curl the entire thing, you know. But I do love the wave action going on here. It looks really pretty. So I'm still deciding what exactly I want to do with the rest of the hair.
Everything about you, your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. Something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. I'm chasing beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about.
It's looking so good. Yes, I love this. Curls, yeah, I think I made a great decision in just recurling everything. It looks really good, really good. Celie here, you didn't do bad with this at all. One thing I must say, because it's so processed, I did get strands with like almost every time when I ran my fingers through it. So I wish that they could like improve on that, you know, but I would just love for it to shed a little bit less. So that's something I do want you to note in terms of the look, in terms of the luster, the density, the movement. It is really nice. If you want this, you know, if you want it for your birthday, if you want it for your anniversary, you want it for just some special occasion. I feel like it's a special occasion me personally. That's how I feel. I don't only, sometimes I wear like street wigs like this. Like I really love these color combos, but for like the 613 highlighted portion, like when it's this highlighted or when it has more 613 portions, if you understand what I mean, I'll save those for like more special occasions, because it's just like it's bolder, you know. So yeah, but it's really nice. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to go ahead and give this video a thumb up if it was informative, if you like the look. Yeah, and that's it for today's wig look. So just go and make up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings.